Introducing the Hugong E-Stick 200. This arc welding machine has a built-in hot start and anti-stick function. It has a built-in AVR for generator use. It includes a scratch start TIG function as well. This is suitable for mild steel and stainless steel projects. This particular welder has a VRD, voltage reduction device. Start off by switching the machine on at the back. Set your desired amps with the dial on the front. To switch on the VRD function, hold down the mode button. Press the mode button again to set your hot start function. Press the mode button again to set the arc force. Press the mode button once more to return to the amp selector. Turn the VRD off to select a different mode. To switch between MMA or lift TIG welding, press the mode button and the light will indicate the selected mode. Connect your electrode holder on the positive socket as indicated. Connect your earth clamp on the negative socket as indicated on the machine's front panel. The E-Stick 200 has a duty cycle of 60%.